Here's a simple and delicious tenderloin steak recipe. Ingredients: for beef tenderloin steaks 1 inch thick, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and freshly ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 3 garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon fresh rosemary chopped, 1 tablespoon fresh thyme chopped, 1 cup beef stock, 1/2 cup red wine optional, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. Instructions: 1. Prepare the steaks. Take the steaks out of the refrigerator at least 30 minutes before cooking to allow them to reach room temperature. Pat the steaks dry with paper towels. Then rub them with olive oil and season generously with salt and pepper on both sides. 2. Sear the steaks. Heat a cast iron skillet or heavy pan over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and let it shimmer. Place the steaks in the hot skillet and sear each side for about 3 to 4 minutes for medium rare, or cook to your desired level of doneness. Use a meat thermometer for accuracy. Rare, 125 degrees Fahrenheit 52 degrees Celsius. Medium rare, 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. Medium, 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. Once cooked, remove the steaks from the pan and let them rest under foil. 3. Prepare the sauce. In the same skillet, reduce the heat to medium and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt and sizzle. Add the minced garlic, rosemary, and thyme, stirring for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour in the red wine if using and deglaze the pan, scraping up any brown bits. Let the wine reduce by half. Add the beef stock, Dijon mustard, and Worcestershire sauce. Simmer the mixture for 3 to 4 minutes until it thickens slightly. 4. Finish the steaks. Return the steaks to the pan and spoon the sauce over them. Let them warm up in the sauce for about 1 to 2 minutes. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper if needed. 5. Serve. Plate the steaks and drizzle the sauce generously over the top. Garnish with fresh rosemary or thyme sprigs if desired. Pair with mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, or a fresh salad for a complete meal. Tips: use high-quality beef tenderloin for the best flavor. Letting the meat rest ensures the juices redistribute, keeping the steaks tender and juicy. Enjoy your flavorful and tender steak dinner. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video.